Welcome to Market Snapshot from the InCred Equities desk. In this podcast, our expert from the equities research team helps you navigate the stock markets with a quick roundup on the previous day's closing, along with relevant insights. Whether you are an experienced investor or starting out, this podcast will equip you to take informed decisions.
Good morning, everyone. Nifty had an interesting session yesterday. At one point in the beginning of trading session, it witnessed as if it will break the low form day before, and it will try to attempt levels of 24,000, 23,900. However, on hourly charts, there was some amount of positive divergences in RSI, which gave some support, much needed support at lower levels, and it sustained about 24,074, which was the previous swing low we made day before. And once that was sustained, there was an uptick coming in. This was predominantly led by Bank Nifty, which was strong throughout, and it closed at the high point of the day. It had a very strong outperformance as well compared to Nifty, and that ensured that the fall in Nifty was compensated in a significant manner, and which also resulted arrest of the fall towards 24,100, 140 levels. Both the indices closed near the high point of the day, and the territory that was lost the day before, that has been gained again. So Nifty was up 300 points day before. Towards the end of trading session, it was 150. So it gave up 150 points from high point. We have conquered that. The next leg of resistance in Nifty is around 24,500. On weekly charts, that has a decent amount of writing in call option in this particular strike. Also, that was the high that was made day before it started correcting. So 24,500 is going to be a key level to watch out for. A close above this can push it towards 24,700. We will have to review because it will then be retesting the breakdown of head and shoulder pattern on daily charts. And if there's a relation, it will make a very compelling case to create shorts for 1,000 point fall. But we would not like to anticipate that happening. We will wait for trigger. We will wait for the confirmation for that to happen. It's always prudent that we stick to levels and plan our trades accordingly. So on immediate basis, 24,500 is what one should be focusing on. As far as Bank Nifty is concerned, immediate supports are seen at 51,750. That is almost 500 points from yesterday's close, and the resistance is placed at levels of 52,600. A close above this level can push Bank Nifty upwards of 1,000 points towards 50,600. Between the two, the structure of Bank Nifty looks better. Early signs of double bottom formation happening, neckline being around 52,600. So that is something that can be kept on radar. Interestingly, many of the prominent sectors are trading near their 200 exponential moving average. US markets yesterday closed flat. At one point, they were up 40-50 bips, but towards the end of trading session, some amount of profit booking was seen. Nothing that one should be worried about. It's normal profit booking. They were trading in the range. They are trading in the range. If Nifty is pointing towards 15 points cut as we speak, so in all likelihood, we'll open a flattish note. And ahead of the expiry tomorrow, we may remain slightly sluggish. And if that happens, our writers can become more confident, and that will be good for us, because then that aggression by option writers can give us good inputs as far as where the Nifty can head tomorrow. FIs yesterday were very inactive. They were quite muted. 500 crores worth sold, domestic bought 700 crores. So it was both muted sessions by FIs and DIs. So in absence of any major activity from there, expectations are that we will have a sluggish session today and maybe tomorrow as well. So trades are clear. Your focus point on sectors is also clear. Plan your trades accordingly, and wish you a happy Diwali in advance. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.